आप यहाँ you speak Kannada, English या English English and
Bengali also.
इतना हिंदी तो बहुत मुश्किल से सीख रहा है और बैंगलोर में ठीक है रेडी ना पा नमस्ते
Hi, namaste.
what's your name
Shrey Kapoor. Shrey Kapoor.
Shrey Kapoor you
Pragya.
Pragya you guys are here on Brigade Road so I am going to ask you something which is women health and hygiene related in case if he answers you are going to get that for free
Yeah, he will know.
yeah ready 1 2 3
Hey, it's used for being. It's cup, menstrual cup.
my god how do you know about this
I know. I take care. No, with all the people, all my friends, I know about
Okay, okay. So tell me, should we advertise menstrual hygiene cups more or pads?
it. Both the things should be advertised equal amount. I don't know. Is this more safe?
She's asking you, not me.
I think this should also be because if people if women want to use washrooms, they are not clean usually, so they can use this instead. I think, right? Right?
Excellent, excellent. Yes, you are right. See, do you know how many days in a month a lady bleeds?
7 to 9, I think.
It is 1 to 7 days.
Okay, 1 to 7.
Okay.
I thought-
So do you know all the difficulties what women go through during that time?
Not all, but there are a few even we go through because of that also.
Because of that. Because of that.
Mood
So
swings. Just
yes,
the mood swings
yes,
we
yes,
deal with,
yes.
but yes,
Yes.
women go through a lot of pain.
Correct,
They
correct.
go through a lot of cramps. They have to deal with a lot of mood swings as well.
Correct, correct.
So it is a very difficult time. I understand. We should also be understanding and be there and help you guys out.
Excellent. So do you know what is PMS?
PMSing is right before the period starting. I think, right?
My God, how many days you took to train him on this?
Not even one leg. No, he's just someone who's very sensitive, who understands women a lot, has only women at home.
Okay,
Not
okay.
really, but a lot of women at home, so
Yeah.
that helps a lot.
Good, good. Very nice, nice talking to you, and I'm so happy that you know so many things about menstrual cups and all that. Yes, of course, we should not use plastic pads because it takes at least 400 years to decompose. So that is the reason we are
And
promoting.
even they cause rashes, which when you wear it, because of the friction, there's a lot of
Correct,
rashes.
correct,
This helps you with that
Correct.
as well.
Yeah. Thanks, guys. All the very best. I'm sorry I disturbed you. Yeah. Just a second.
I was supposed to get something.